Hey guys, it's your boy, the one only Great Dane, back with day 195 Star Drop opening, and we should have a pretty interesting day today. And let's see what we have to start. We'll get to that in a second.
Rare.
So starting with rare. 50 points.
Mythic.
200, right? It's only 200 power points though.
Epic.
That's an epic. Good. 200 coins, pretty decent. But I decided I would go ahead and get the CCTV Poco against my better judgment. By get it, I mean get the entire offer, which has a legendary
Let's
start.
get this party started!
Again, hopefully it's good, otherwise it's just gonna feel bad. So, get 200 coins, the skin, the icon, our first star drop.
Rare.
50 coins, so 250 coins. Get 2,000 coins. 500 XP doublers. And the second star drop. Your rare star. 25 power points. Then at least we know the last one is guaranteed to be at least like 1,000 coins or something. So we have 5,000 coins. 550 power points. Again, I really don't need more power points, but whatever. And for our legendary, we have...
Hearing people's fears is music
at
to
least
my
a cool
ears.
skin, you know? Comes with a pin. It is a skin I would have bought if you couldn't get skins for free out of Star Drop, so it's not the worst thing, but yeah, so it's alright. We got 15 coins for the daily freebie, and 5 credits. If you guys want it, Cat Bowl, which is an epic skin. Again, I know they're re-releasing the season skins in the shop. I'm not sure if you can get them out of Star Drops, but it is an epic, so technically I would think you'd be able to. But again, it's there for 50% off if you wanted that one. But the other significant thing is, we have the StarToon challenge available. It was available yesterday, but I didn't have time to do it. And I only want to do it now because literally every single win is a Star Drop, so I'll try to be pausing between every single one, and let's see what we can get, guys. Alright, so for our first star drop, we have rare. 50 coins. On to the next one. For the second star drop, we have rare. Again. 25 power points. Let's see what we got for the third one. For the third star drop, we have super rare. 50 power points. On to the next stage. For the fourth star drop,
Mythic.
500 coins, pretty good. On to the next. For the fifth star drop,
Epic.
100 coins, still pretty decent. On to the next. For the sixth star drop,
Super rare.
100 coins, alright. On to the next stage. For the seventh star drop, we have rare. 50 coins. On to the next. For the eighth star drop, we have rare. 50 coins. On to the last one. And for the last star drop, Tid star drop, we already named that. Is that secret code or something? I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. There's something weird's going on. But anyway, we get the new pin as well. Yes. Okay, it's a guaranteed legendary. I was not aware of that. 1,000 coins. Alright. Well, I don't think there's anything else significant going on right now, so without further ado, as of today I have 936 XP doublers and 20,944 power points. So yeah guys, let me know what you think, if you got anything good out of any of those star drops, and let's see if I can take this.